Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're restoring the shine on this RV front cap. In this video we'll walk you through our buffing and polishing process to achieve a deep high gloss finish. The process begins by buffing the front cap using Farkla 400 compound paired with a 3M foam pad. This step removes light imperfections, oxidation, and surface haze, especially in high visibility areas. Because the front cap has curves and contours, the technician uses controlled movements and consistent pressure to carefully work across the surface, ensuring even correction without overworking any one area. Once the compounding stage is complete, we move into polishing using 3M Finesse It. This step refines the surface, enhances gloss, and eliminates any micro scratches left behind from buffing. The polish is applied evenly, bringing out depth and clarity in the paint while restoring that deep, mirror-like shine across the entire front cap. The result is a smooth, glossy finish that makes the front of this RV stand out. Stay tuned for more RV paint and detailing processes. Thank you for watching.